whole team.
Pissed.
Stunned one. Yeah, that shit worked too well.
Another team.
Out here. Oh, never mind. I'm getting shot from the side.
I'm not even getting shot. I'm getting fucking
I'm gonna
gassed.
kill this guy. Oh, he's rezzing him. He tried. Two there. Back off. I gotta heal. They threw a strike or something. No, they didn't. Fucking use a fucking pistol. Yeah, fuck you, bitch.
Is that fight?
Team wipe.
Shit. Right here on me. Fuck.
Back off if you can.
That one.
Got one. You got one?
Hey, bro. Another one. Oh, shoot.
Next to us. I heard him.
Got you.
Go give me
a
a
fight.
finger.
I get him.
Fuck off of him, bitch. He's rezzing him. That's right, run, bitch. Full squad white, watch this shit. Peek.
That guy, the boy dipped in a Durango.
That boy pulled off.
Where they at?
I don't know. He marked upstairs. Like through that door. Get turned on. Get fucking turned on, bro. You're so shit.
On me.
Reloading
Yeah.
my gun.
Another one. To the door to the left.
Launched. Let's go, Brody.
Oh, fuck.
It's
outta
not
here.
about nothing. Top of my head, so. Fuck off me, bitch. You're shitty. Shitty McGritty. Push to you. Got one down.
I'm gonna go on the roof. High ground.
No way, come on, man. This is one guy. No fucking way. Where's this guy at? That's supposed to be next to me.
Oh, he didn't get.
Oh my god, this guy's. Launch your shit.
Teammates! Oh my Christ!
Dog, I'm getting hit twice. Come on, dog.
I'm gonna die real quick. I'm dying. Go.
Oh no, hey, this guy's right here, literally. Got him though.
Shit, I'll get.
There's one thing they really need to like master is the landing, like the parachute. They need to master that shit. 'Cause that shit feels so stiff in this game. Bitch. Dumbass.
Lit, dude, I'm dead. I literally peeked out the door for half a second and 3 people just started lighting me up. I'm up next.
Do you see this guy? Do you see this guy? Tell me who this guy is. Tell me who he is. Where is he?
I don't see. Hold up.
Dead. That's what the fuck he is. Oh. Is he still up there though?
He didn't have a pistol. Mine. And more than a pistol.
What a bitch. Yeah.
Found him.
Fully
To
let
my
this
left.
bitch.
Armor's broke. He's gonna kill. Why are you killing me off?
Wait. Okay. I see him.
Kill him.
Killing all these fuckers. They don't give you the kill unless you fully elim them, bro. Get away from me now. That Jake kid just stole my fucking kill. Get away from me, dog. He's running. It's a dude right here. I'm gonna just land on this kid and fuck him up real quick. Fuck him. I took his loot with the pistol.
How do you get down?
I just jumped down.
Oh, you killed. Nice.
Fuck that shit, dog. Shit, you only got one life. Fuck that shit.
Yeah, that was a teammate.
God.
Come on.
You know where it was at. Right? Tough.
I can buy you back, but it's in the gas, and I don't know if I have time.
Nah, I just don't. Not really worth it.
Car? Down one. Same vehicle, actually. Dead.
Oh, we win.
Oh, GG.
Tough.
Wow.
Dubs.
Imagine dying like last team.